Let's show the details of the post. So when we will create in this icon, it will show the details of the post. So this is our post view and this is our icon. So let's make a route called posts view. And it will get, and we can say show. Let's make a method in the post controller. So to show a post, we need to pass an ID of each post. So we can pass it like here. As a hidden value. Let's see if we get the ID or not. Here we get the ID, you see. And let's see if we get the ID here. So we have to say request values, then ID. So we are getting the ID. Okay, then we will pull the post from the database. So we have to process it in the model, post model. So we can say like post new post, then a method maybe show post. Then we can pass this ID and the table name. Our table name is posts. So let's create a method called show post in the post model. Show post is accepting table and ID. So we have to make a query. We can say select all from the table and ID equal this. Then we can say connect and prepare the query, then execute the statement. Execute the statement with the ID we given, then return statement, then fetch PDO, fetch object. Let's see if we fetch or not. and let's dd the post. So it's telling parameter 1 to be array, string given. Okay, so we have to give this id as an array, not the string, like this. If we reload the page, boolean false. Let's see why it's not working. Let's see. Select all from table. We should pass another key, where. So it's working now. Let's show it in our view. So our view is let's copy this one. You have to say post, and our view is show. And in the show view we have, when I make this way, it's showing.